everyone, this is Sheeta Sipan Matre, and today's picker card reading is extremely interesting. Today we are going to find out what unexpected event you are going to experience in your life. It could be, now events could be reunions, parties, galas, travel event or trade shows or some sort of award ceremony or any kind of event. I hope I am clear with that. So let's see what kind of event is going to happen in your life. Are you going to be invited to a very special wedding event of somebody else, or could be your own? So let's figure it out. For today's session, we have three options. Option number one is this ear chakra. Let me keep it over here. Option number two is third eye chakra. All right, that's option number two. And option number three is listen to your intuitive feeling. All right, so these are your three options. Option one, ear chakra. Option two, third eye chakra. And option three, listen to your intuitive feelings. In case if you're confused as to which option to choose, you can simply make three chits, number them 1, 2, 3, and say, dear God, Goddess, and Archangels, what unexpected event is going to come in my life? And just pick up one chit. So whatever number that chit has, suppose if it has number 1, then you need to choose pile number 1, that is ear chakras. So this is how you can choose your pile. So let's get started. Hi, option 1. Let's see what unexpected event is going to come in your life. As I said, an event could be an award ceremony, it could be a workshop, seminar, or it could be a conference, it could be your own wedding event or a birthday event or a travel for that matter. So an unexpected event, that's what we are looking at. Okay, let me keep your card over here. Now let's see. But definitely one thing I can make out, that you are in the field of communication, so that's for sure. So let's see. Unexpected event coming up in group 1's life. Right, it could be a own house warming ceremony or a baby shower. Unexpected event. All right. So don't worry, it's going to be a pleasant event that we are looking at and not an unpleasant event. So it's going to be an unexpected big event or maybe a small event. Let's figure that out. All right, let me just shut the window because a lot of noise is coming. Give me 1 minute. All right, so let's see your tarot cards first. Okay. Strength. So what I'm getting from this card is an unexpected event coming up in your life is Maybe you are going to buy a pet. Okay, there is going to be an addition of some sort of pet in your life, and that's not a small thing, you know. Adopting a pet or getting a pet is quite a big thing. I also feel that you may participate in some sort of health event. Could be I know it's pandemic going on, but I do see some sort of health event. It could be an online marathon wherein, you know, you have to run a particular kilometers in your garden or something, but there it looks like something to do with health as well. So maybe you are going to participate in some sort of health event, or you may unexpectedly join some health some workout classes or some strength building exercise classes, something to do with your health. All right, I also feel that you may work on your building your physical strength and inner strength. So something to do with that. You could attend a workshop on those lines, or you could actually participate in showing off your strength. So some of you could be bodybuilders as well. All right, so that's something that I can see. I also feel that some of you may participate in some sort of smile contest. Looks like some smile contest. But the unexpected event that I am seeing, that is the big event. Now I spoke about the small events that I can see with this card, but the big event that I am seeing in this card is that your finances are going to be very strong. Something is going to happen that will make your finances stronger. Okay, so your savings are going to increase. I feel that some of you may get recognized for your idea. All right, so there could be an event happening in your life wherein you will have to showcase your idea to a group of people, and those people will take that idea and pay you money for the same, which will strengthen your finances, is what I'm getting in terms of a big event. Small event, I already told you, you know, like strength training exercises and all that stuff. Let's see the next thing. Wow, so some of you are going to be invited for an engagement party, a marriage party, for sure, or could be an anniversary party. The next small, first I'll talk about the small event and the big event. Or it could be that your anniversary is coming up, or maybe your parents' anniversary is coming up, and this anniversary looks like very significant anniversary. All right, now this particular anniversary could be the 10 years of completion, or 15 or 25, that kind of, or 5 years of completion. I also feel that some of you are going to attend some sort of relationship or a family healing kind of a seminar or a workshop. I also feel that it could be your own wedding. If I'm talking about unexpected big event, then it could be literally, if you're single, your own wedding, or maybe you and your partner will together plan for a child also. So this could mean that as well. Let me put your card over here. Let's see the next card. King of Swords. So there could be a very interesting offer coming to you via a very successful businessman or a corporate, or maybe your colleague of yours, ex-colleague or ex-boss may give you some sort of an offer which would be really very great in terms of strengthening your career, is what I'm getting. I also feel that some of you are going to sharpen your skills, especially in the practical area of your life. I also feel that some sort of paperwork, all right, which was pending for a long time, will get completed. So if you ask me, there's 3 cards, okay. First could be as simple as visiting your your personal trainer, or could be your vet, okay, or even adopting a pet. That's a small event, as I said. If I look at these cards, all right, I feel that you could be this strong lady, all right, and there would be a practical man, and both of you will come together and create this magic, this synchronicity. So this could be a partnership, could be a professional partnership, or could be a marriage as well. So something which I can see clearly. And if you see this card, all right, she is handling a lion, and if you see, his characteristic is not really that of a lion, but he's quite not easy to tame, okay, let me put it that way. And this particular female has tamed a lion. So for her to tame someone who is not a lion, but short of a lion, is not that difficult. But and when this and this come together, this is what happens. And there are two lions in your cards. You got two lions, so definitely some of you are a Leo, all right. Virgo, Leo is what I'm getting, but definitely two things coming together to create something amazing. So that's what your tarot is talking about. Let's see what your other cards are saying, all right. Let's see the Kipper card. Okay, so child, what did I tell you? I did tell you, right, that some of you are going to two elements coming together to form something amazing. So the child is definitely, some of you are literally going to be parents to another child, or there would be some sort of creative work related to in your life, or there could be a creative project that you would be doing, all right. So definitely the child, such a cute picture it is, right? So I will keep this over here. Interesting. It may so also happen that some of you who have children may ask you to get them a pet. All right, let's your next card. Family, friends, and guides. So definitely the next unexpected, big, pleasant event that's going to happen, pleasant or small, there is going to be your family, and there's going to be maybe a reunion of family and friends, or there could be meeting up of family and friends. Also, I feel that there would be someone you will meet via a contact, okay, and that contact is going to be really very helpful in terms of business, career, but especially healing, all right. I also feel that I feel a grandma connect, okay. Somehow I'm seeing a grandma connect who is helping you, or a mother, and I'm kind of seeing that kind of connect. So definitely I feel that there is going to be extension in your family and friends circle. That's for sure, because that's what all your cards are aiming towards. So if you're single, I do see you meeting someone special. If you're already married, then I do see your marriage becoming stronger, or there is going to be a new addition in your family, maybe in terms of a child, or a pet, okay. However, I do see expansion of social circle. There's definitely a social event that you are going to be invited for. It looks like a wedding, engagement, or a baby shower, to be very honest. These are the three things which are popping up very strongly. Now let's see your next card. Tears of joy and sadness. So there is going to be something that is going to come in your life. It is going to be an emotional event, okay. There is no doubt about it. It's not a career event, or I would say even if it's a career event, it's going to have a very high emotional impact, in a way wherein you will be like, should I cry, should I laugh, should I smile, because you'll be numb for some moment when you will hear that particular news. And after that, first there'll be tears of sadness, and then there are going to be tears of joy. But I do feel that it's got to do with pregnancy. Somehow I'm getting that pregnancy, or something to do with family or friends, okay, very clearly. I mean, I don't have to second guess that. Let me keep your card over here, since it's a bit longer card, okay, taller card, sorry. Okay, music for manifesting. So here I feel that you work with angels pretty closely, and at times you hear some sort of music and then you ask the other person, hey, can you hear something? And the other person is like, no, I am not able to hear something. So I feel that your divine connect with angels are going to be more stronger. The ones who are in the field of healing will work with music sound in some way or the other, or maybe you'll start chanting, is what I am getting. So maybe you would, some of you may form groups of chanting, or you may be part of a particular group of chanting. Let me keep your card over here. Ask for what you want. So here this card is telling that your wishes are going to get manifested. All right, I do feel that it may so happen that you may go for a shopping spree with your family or a friend, and you will get for what you really desire and want, is what I'm getting. Okay. All right, so that's with the cards, but I don't know, guys. I feel like pulling 2 more cards, okay, from this deck. So let's see what next unexpected big and small event is going to happen in your life. Okay, I'll keep it over here. All right. Your wish is granted. Oh my god, look at this. This is the second time you're getting this card. Ask for what you want and your wish is granted. So whatever your wish is, okay, that's going to get fulfilled unexpectedly. Like you would not be imagining that it would get fulfilled in a way which you never really thought, or you never really imagined. All right, let's see the next card. Business venture. Wow. So definitely some of you may start your own business, which may be completely out of blue, or you may get an offer for your business. It could be partnership, it could be coming from a contact. Okay, a contact is what I'm getting. So this particular new business idea or a career opportunity is going to really bring in that tears of joy and sadness. So interestingly, group 1, I'm feeling that in your reading I do see you getting invited to a wedding. I do see you getting more fitter. Okay, I do see you getting that wish which you always wanted fulfilled. I do see a child also for the ones who are planning for a baby, but it looks like you're going to grow from all aspects, okay, in your life. The only thing that you need to be, because you chose your chakra, so you're going to get a lot of guidance through your inner voice. So listen to it. Now let's pick up your charms, your numbers, and see what more insights we can get. Let me lower the camera for you. Okay, so first let's start. We'll pick everything first and then we'll see it one by one. All right, all right. So some of them are already falling, the words. Okay, these are the ones that have fallen. Okay, let's see the universe message. Alphabets. This could be your first name, middle name, last name. Or maybe somebody else's entire name. Let's pick up a crystal. Okay. And now let's pick up a angel number. And we'll look at your charms in a minute. Okay, let's pick up your charms first. Please remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave what does not. Okay, so first let's start with your words. We have your first word that we have celebrate. So definitely some sort of celebration happening. Want, beauty. Okay, I did tell you that some of you are going to become more fitter. Outside, walking, drive, tree, friends. You got friends the second time. Okay, you did get the card family, friends and guides. So maybe a friend will invite you for some birthday party or some event or something, and that's really going to make you meet someone. All right, and this someone can be of really utmost importance in terms of an offer or something like that. See, now you did get the strength card. Okay, so I definitely told you physical activity, and we got one physical activity, which is walking. So definitely maybe you will start paying attention to your physical health more, and this word is confirming that. Also outside, that is your physical body. Okay, outside beauty, you're going to pay attention to outside beauty. So maybe some sort of makeover that can take place. I feel that there could be a weight transition, gain or loss, whatever you're looking at or whatever it is that you're wanting. There is a drive and a race. So I feel that you will be part of some competition. Okay, unexpectedly you will participate in some sort of competition. Okay, it could be food competition, it could be a beauty pageant, or something to do, maybe some sort of competition is what I'm getting. And again, you got R. Okay, so that represents a social group or a support, sort of support coming your way. All right, and tree again can represent a family tree. Also, I feel that some of you are going to plant more trees and pay more attention to the environment. All right, or maybe you'll participate in some sort of environmental related activity. Now let's see, let me keep this over here. Let's see your alphabets. So let me straighten them out for you. So it may so happen that there could be some sort of organization or which you would be a part, which you will become a part of. Okay, and it would be completely unexpectedly. Alright, so this could be your first name, middle name, or maybe a whole name may show up in this alphabets, or somebody whom you will meet. Interestingly, if I see the words, there are both yes and no in this setup of alphabets. Okay, so this is what your alphabets look like. Now let's see your universe messages. Okay, I got you can if you think you can. So again, it's completely up to you. All right, you've got make your own path. So you need to be unique. If you're entering into a competition, you need to be unique. Okay, save the date. So what did I tell you? There could be an engagement, wedding, baby shower, bridal shower, or a literal delivery of a child. That's why save the date. Or it could be as simple as a birthday, anniversary. So some important date is going to come which need to be saved. Okay, what is over here? Focus on being better than yesterday. So as I said, there is going to be self improvement, unexpected self improvement, especially with regards to your strength, okay, emotional and physical strength. You got the surprise emoji, so a lot of surprises are going to come your way, unexpected, from friends mainly. You got Capricorn, Taurus, so maybe you are a Capricorn or you may meet a Capricorn or a Taurus, and the third is Gemini. So same thing, okay? So you got the three signs, which are Gemini, Capricorn, and Taurus. Now let's see what charms you have got. Oh my God, you literally have got the bell. It could be a wedding bell, all right? Wow, that's interesting. Okay. In this, this person is doing something and there's something falling, so it's like it looks like he has missed the catch, okay? So however, we don't know whether the ball has landed on the ground. He may just move and catch the ball as well. So this particular charm is saying that there's going to be an opportunity coming your way. Do not miss it, okay? Do not miss it. You got the number 6. Now 6 represents it's a Venus, number of Venus, so it literally could mean something to do with your love life, and it could also mean that your partner may surprise you pleasantly. And 6 is, again, as I said, number of Venus, so luxury coming your way. The other charm that you got is a sewing machine, so it represents creativity. So either you will wear a really beautiful outfit for an event, or it could literally mean creativity, creating something. So as I said, you got the child card, right? So I did tell you, you are going to create something really very interesting. All right, I'll keep your charm over here. You got the Wheel of Fortune, so definitely this means that the lady luck is at your side. All right, some of you, your picture, okay, may go viral, or your video may go viral in a good way, so nothing to worry about, okay? Or otherwise you'll be like, oh my God, what to do? You got flowers, so as I said, flower represents creativity, so a lot of creativity. You're going to take some creative projects. You got the fairy charm. Now interestingly, I'm using the messages from the fairies deck, and I don't know why, I was just guided to use that. And you have got the fairy charm. So fairies is all about manifestation. So you are going to manifest something that you really have been trying to manifest for a very long time, but somehow it has not been happening. But you need to not miss the opportunity. You got the dog. What did I tell you? Some of you are going to get pet, all right? And this kind of confirms it. Also, I feel like you are going to get more loyal people around you, okay? You got the gun charm, which means that you are going to be more focused on what you want. Whatever it is that you're aiming at, you are going to get it. With regards, does not mean shooting, guys. You got the rickshaw, which means I feel that there could be a very small unexpected travel happening, okay? Small mini unexpected travel. You got the candy, so definitely some sweet surprises coming your way. You got the lock, which means some opportunity or something which has been blocked for a very long time will get unblocked. Wow, that's so interesting. You also got the music. You got the guitar, okay? And you also got music for manifesting. So it could happen that you participate in some sort of singing competition, or if you're already a singer, maybe some of you will get a contract that you're looking at. If you're not a singer and you just love music, it could happen that you may get some sort of musical instrument as a gift, or maybe somebody will really make a very nice playlist of your favorite songs and gift it to you in some way. All right, and what else? Also, I feel that if you have if you work around sound healing, meditation with music, it's going to really help you to grow. Or if you are a voiceover artist, then yes, things are going to look more brighter. All right, now let's I think I've removed, oh wait, so sorry, we got the tiger's eye. So definitely a lot of prosperity coming your way, a lot of courage and strength. See, interestingly, the tiger's eye talks about strength, courage and prosperity, and so does the strength card. So definitely I feel that you are going to be more stronger physically, okay, and emotionally as well. Let's see the numbers that you got. You're 56, 36 and 32. So you got 3 6s, okay, including this. So 3 6s means all your material needs are going to be met. Don't worry. Also, it talks about maintaining a balance between spirituality and material goals. Also, you got 2 3s, which means the divine is with you. The 2 is telling you to have faith, okay, whatever you have been praying for, have faith, you will get it. And the number 5 is talking about the positive changes coming in your life. And see guys, you did get, ask for what you want and your wish will be granted. So whatever you wish for is going to get granted, and that's pretty clearly shown in the cards. And when your wish is going to get granted, there is going to be there are going to be tears of joy and sadness. At the same time, you are going to celebrate it. All right, clearly you're going to celebrate it. Wow guys, that's so interesting, isn't it? Okay, let me straighten the camera. Now let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell you. So think about the question and let me spin the wheel for you. You got better. So whatever it is that you're asking for, the divine is going to give you something better. Okay, that's so awesome, isn't it? All right. So guys, this was your reading regarding what unexpected big and small events that are going to come up in your life. These are pleasant event and not negative events which we are looking at. So I hope you resonate with this reading. Do like this video if you do, and do subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and if you really feel like subscribing, only then. Thank you so much. This is Sheila Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Hello group 2. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful third eye chakra card. Let's see what your angels are going to give you in terms of big and small unexpected events. All right, so the events could be a wedding, could be a birthday, could be like the small events. The big events could be like getting invited to a wedding or a birthday is a small event, and the big event could be your wedding happening, or birth of a child, or maybe even like attending some sort of induction because you got a new job. So let's see what unexpected events, big and small, pleasant ones, that are going to happen in your life. So you chose a third eye chakra. So clearly you're somebody who is highly clairvoyant, which means you do have visions. You are a psychic, or you are into the field of creativity like graphic designing, filmmaking, advertising, something which requires sort of visualization. Okay, so you could be a coach as well. So let's see what your cards are saying in terms of big and small unexpected events coming up in your life. All right. Let's see. Okay, now let's see the Kipper card. Oops. Okay, let me put the cards properly. So sorry, guys. So let's see the big and small, unexpected, pleasant events coming up in your life. So these are pleasant, unexpected events. So you can be so chilled during this reading. Okay, first let me take your tarot cards. All right. Two of Wands. So definitely partnership related to work is going to come in your life. There is going to be an offer coming up in your career. Some of you are going to get international offers, or some of you are going to get some sort of offer. If you're in corporate career, you may get an offer to work for an MNC which has a global presence. I feel that your work is going to reach more people. There is going to be a choice that needs to be made, and this decision that you are going to make is going to lead you to more abundance and prosperity. I also feel that some of you are going to travel. I know the pandemic is on, but I do see travel in your cards, and I do see the travel happening near the sea. Okay, that's something which I'm clearly seeing. So there is going to be it could be I also feel, in terms of small unexpected events coming your way, I feel that there is going to be a seminar of which you will be a part of. It looks like some sort of global event happening, or a seminar happening global, at a global level, of which you would be a part of. That's at a smaller level which I am seeing. Okay, there is this car zooming in the background. So speed, okay, things that are going to happen at a very fast speed. I'm also getting speed. Okay, let's see your next card. 7 of Wands. So see, I said 8 of Wands and I just said speed before that. So definitely speed is going to come in your life. So let's see a 7 of Wands. So you are going to win over some sort of competition. At a smaller scale, you're going to win some sort of competition. At a bigger scale, you will maybe you will be appearing for an interview and you will crack the interview. Or there could be, if you're in a business, there could be some sort of business tenders which other people would have applied for, or maybe you're going to win over the competition. Okay, you'll be above the competition. All right, I also feel that this card is saying that if you, even if you're no matter what career, profession or time of your life you are in, okay, you are going to be above the odds. Okay, whoever is standing against you, you are going to win over that. So a victory. Okay, in terms of big event, there is going to be a victory that you would be experiencing for sure. Okay, interestingly, you got 2 wands. Okay, sort of adventure, fire element. Wow, you got the Emperor. Over here, I feel that some good news related to father, husband, brother would come up. All right, and also I feel in terms of at a bigger level, there could be some change in the management. Okay, the management can be the organization that you're working for, or the authorities. Okay, so there could be changes in that happening. I also feel that you guys are going to get in terms of big unexpected event, I see a growth in power and position. Definitely there is going to be a upgradation of your position. All right, so more power coming to you. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. I also feel that a very powerful man is going to help you. All right, and that's why this powerful man will help you to win against your opposition. You know, you'll be having the backing of this powerful man, and the backing of this powerful man will make you so strong that all your opposition will be like, oh my god, he or she has the support of this person, so let's back off. Okay, that's something that I'm seeing. Also, it could happen that this man will give you an opportunity, okay, which will really help you to win. So in your case, group 2, I'm seeing more of upgradation in power. Okay, that's what I'm seeing. A lot of masculine energy group 2 has, you know, around their reading. All right, so some sort of good news coming for your partner, your father, son, brother is what I am also getting. But definitely a powerful person, could be a man or a woman, who is going to help you. Some sort of a connect is going to happen. Let's see your other cards. And you have been visualizing this. Poverty. So now this, as I said, we are looking at unexpected, pleasant, big and small event. So in terms of small unexpected event, you may help somebody who is absolutely poor, or you may do a lot of donations to orphanages, old age homes, or people who need support. All right, is what I'm getting. So that's in terms of a smaller thing. In bigger unexpected event, see, I feel that you guys have had a very rough childhood. All right, so at that time, you know, everybody you had some sort of visions that once I reach this level, this is what I am going to do. So all that things is going to happen. But I feel that you're going to help a lot of people. You're going to use, I also feel that the position that you are going to get in terms of this card, you are going to use your position to help the one, you know, who needs your help the most. Now let's see your other cards. Milestone. Oh my god, I love when all the cards resonate with each other. So definitely recognition, reward. I did tell you a victory, right? I did tell you, you know, that there is going to be you are going to win over your opposition. And look at this card. So there is going to be a milestone happening in your life. Okay, as I said, there is going to be an upgradation of power. Wow, group 2, that's so. And see, you got the card of events. Okay, so some sort of, you may throw a promotion party or something. That's your next card. Prosperity and abundance. See, a lot of money coming your way, a lot of power coming your way. I also feel that with all that money and power, whatever you always wanted, you're going to relax. Okay, you'll be like, let me go on a vacation, let me go on a small you know, at a smaller unexpected event, you know, unexpectedly you may go for a spa or a makeover. And in terms of big unexpected events, there's going to be a lot of money coming your way, money that is finally going to make you feel relaxed. Wow, group 2, that's why I always love shuffling in front of camera. I picked up all your cards. Oops, so sorry. You got to express your individuality. So definitely you are going to stand out. Okay, I also feel that some of you are going to release some sort of book. That pending book is finally going to get released. New home. Oh wow, so something related to home is going to happen. It may so happen, if you have taken a home loan, you may pay off a major chunk of it. Some of you may buy a new home or renovate your existing home. So something to do with your home. Okay, but definitely an amazing shift happening. Oh my god, this is so awesome. See, this is so magical. Okay, the same card even group 1 got. So your wish is going to get fulfilled, whatever your wish is regarding your career. I see mostly career and finances, to be very honest, in group 2. your case. So I see career and finances. Whatever your wishes are regarding career, finances, material things, that's going to get fulfilled. Let's see your next card. Motivation. Wow. So this card is telling that you are going to be super busy, okay, and you are going to be so motivated to fulfill all that you wanted to have in your life. You're going to have that inner motivation. Also, I feel, as I said, that some of you are into, you're a life coach, or you are a trainer, a teacher. So definitely I feel that you're going to motivate, inspire a lot of people, okay. A lot of people are going to get inspired by you, and that's going to give you the recognition and power. Wait. So the unexpected event happening in your life is the wait is going to be over. Yes, my friends, your wait is going to be over, because that's what an unexpected thing is, right? Lovely. Let's see your next card. Oh, your cards are done. All right. I was so engrossed in your reading, group 2. So definitely your reading is very clearly around career and finances. Okay, career, finances, and material things. Okay. Now let's see what your charms and alphabets are going to give, what insight they're going to give. So let me pick up this alphabet. It may show your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or maybe some word or which is very important to you, or some name which is very important to you will pop up. All right, let's see what words you have got. All right. So let me shuffle these words really well. Quite a few words, and let me pick up some other words. All right. Now let's pick up some universe messages. So let me mix all of this. This over here. All right, let's pick up some charms. Now let's pick you some numbers. Right, and oops, crystal message. Unakite, interesting. So interestingly, guys, Unakite helps to open up your third eye chakra. It helps you to be more clairvoyant, and you have chosen third eye chakra. Isn't that awesome? So definitely this group is of highly intuitive people. Now let's see your words first. You got sweet, precious. All right. Okay, sweet, precious. Reach. You're going to reach more people. All right, want and star. Okay, so the want is telling me that you, and the star, okay, is telling me that you want more fame. All right, you want your work to reach more people. That's going to happen. There's definitely a fame element which I can clearly see, and with your cards also. All right, like this could mean an award ceremony, okay, literally recognition for your work. All right, so let's see you got raining, you got tree, you got truck. on. Busy, I did tell you you're going to be very busy. School, sort of learning and teaching happening quickly. Bikes, okay. Toys. All right. So, what your words are telling me, okay, the word raining is telling me a lot of opportunities are going to rain over you. Truck is telling me the burden is going to be unloaded. All right. However, you are going to be more busy, and though it is AM, okay, I feel that it's also saying AM, all right. So something to do with your morning. So you're going to sleep on time is what I'm somehow feeling. So more rested sleep is what I'm getting. School of learning and teaching happening happily. Okay, you're going to be happily busy is what I'm getting. And this quickly is telling me that, you know, quickly AM and on, I somehow am getting with the time factor. So whatever that you're asking for is going to happen quite quickly. Bikes for me is speed. So you did I did say the speed thing in your card reading. So definitely going to grow at a very faster rate. You're going to have solid, though you will grow really fast, you will be grounded. I also feel that toys are telling that, you know, you're going to be more playful about your whole journey of growth. All right, more playful. Now let's see what alphabets you got. So it could be your first name, middle name, last name, or some word which is of importance may pop up. So alright, let me straighten this alphabets for you. It helps you to get more insight. All right, now interestingly guys, all right, I do see over here move. All right, and if I shift it over here, it becomes home. And yes, we do have a new home. Okay, interestingly, we do have a new home, and you did get the new home card too. And in the words also, the new home is getting reflected. So it's definitely home is something that's going to be a major unexpected event happening in your life. You got the mobile phone charm, which means an unexpected pleasant message is going to make you feel so good. Okay, some important communication happening. Umbrella, I would say that you are protected, you know, because so much of fame and so much of recognition and power may make you feel a little bit insecure, that what if it goes away, what if I can't handle it. So this umbrella is saying that you're safe and protected. All right, you got the iron, pressing iron. So something, it also means that, you know, see, you did get the seven of wands. So it can mean that it could happen that there was some sort of arguments that you were having with someone, and this particular charm is telling that it will be ironed out. All right, lovely. You got the rainbow sort of colors coming in your life, and you also got the bow, which again shows, you know, that there's some very important event, that a formal event that you will be participating in. This music charm is saying that memories, okay, a lot of a lot of that nostalgic memories are going to flash into your mind, especially when maybe you did not have enough, or maybe when you wanted something but you could not have it, and this particular memories are going to make you feel grateful for all that you have or you will get in the future. Wow guys, you got 2 stars. So you did get star in your words, you did get a star charm. So definitely fame coming your way, you are going to shine really bright. You also got the Goddess Lakshmi footprint, which talks about prosperity, opportunities, abundance, and you did get the prosperity and abundance card too. So awesome. You did get the mask. So I feel that this is asking you to be more secretive about your plans before till it get to fruition, okay? So let me see if there is rough moments to laugh and enjoy that are going to happen. People, okay? So you're going to reach more people. A lot of followers you're going to get. Wow, that's so interesting. Now let's see what your universe messages are. Never be afraid of change. Okay, so major change happening. Positive vibes only. So keep your circle positive. Okay. Make today beautiful. So focus on today. Don't be overwhelmed thinking about tomorrow. You got the Virgo and Sagittarius. So either you could be a Virgo, or you may meet a Virgo, or you may meet a Sagittarius. Wow, that's your numbers. 4 4. Definitely you guys pray to angels and you have angels with you, no doubt about it. And you are seeing the number 11 11 4 4 or 11 4 4 or 14 14 often. So keep your thoughts positive because they are manifesting and you have millions of angels supporting you. I've done so many readings, guys, till now, but I never seen two such strong angel numbers come together. Lovely. So this was your reading, guys. Now let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell us. Okay. So definitely, guys, the Unakite crystal and the third eye chakra that you have chosen is clearly saying a lot of visions. Your psychic vision, your intuition is going to give you a lot of answers. So think about a question that you have in your mind. Yes, you have got the answer as yes. Wow, that's so awesome, guys. So this was your reading. I hope you enjoyed your reading, group 2. Do write in the comment section what resonated, and all my love and miracles to you and your way. So take care, guys. Bye bye. Hello, group 3. So, all those of you have chosen listen to your intuitive feelings. Let's see what big and small, unexpected, pleasant events are going to happen in your life. Let's see what unexpected, big and small events, pleasant events are going to happen in group 3's life. So one card has fallen down. Let me keep over here. All right, let's get started. I'm so excited to see what your reading is going to tell you because group 1 and group 2's reading were phenomenal. All right, so let's see. The Sun card. Wow, what a card to get. So, you guys are going to travel. You guys are going to be so happy. There is going to be, some of you could literally have a childbirth happening in your family or extended family. Also, there is going to be a major good news happening in your life. You're going to shine bright like the sun. The creativity and creativity is going to be all time high. At in terms of little events happening in your life, you would be invited to a birthday party, or mostly a birthday party is what I'm seeing, or could be an anniversary, but I do see birth of a child. Okay, for group 3, in case if you're not looking to be a parent, a lot of creativity coming, or some good news regarding your children are going to give some good news to you. Okay, so that's what this card is saying. But overall, this is the best card to get in tarot. Wow. So guys, I definitely see travel. Okay, I know the pandemic is on, but even then I am seeing travel happening. Travel to a place where there is a lot of sunshine and beach, and also travel to a spiritual place. Also, I feel that there will be a growth in spirituality. Okay, some of you may go back and visit the place where you have grown up unexpectedly, or there could be a spiritual visit is what I'm seeing. Growth in terms of your intuition is also what I'm getting. All right, that's your third card. Six of Pentacles. So it can be that a major help coming your way, or you helping somebody financially. Both ways is going to happen. Also, this card is saying that there will be an unexpected financial support or help coming your way. Be open to receiving it. Also, this card is saying that this particular card is telling me that there would be some sort of in terms of small events, there is some sort of bank work or paper related work or finance related work which is pending, that is going to be completed. Also, I feel return on investments, a good return in terms of investment is going to also happen. Let's see your next card. I'll take the Kipper card first. Okay, mature man. So this card is definitely telling that I feel that some of you are going to be recognized by a man who is, or a woman for that matter, who is very matured and successful. And this particular person is going to recognize your skills and going to give you that that recognition that you have been looking at. I also am hearing that some of you are a Lord Shiva devotee. Also, you chant Om a lot. Also, I feel not only Om, I'm also hearing that you chant some sort of Krishna or Narayan mantra, is what I'm getting. So that's also going to help you. There is some sort of connect which you have with spirituality. I feel that, I don't know, I'm hearing the word Lord Shiva a lot. So maybe you have a Lord Shiva connect, Kal Bhairav connect, or some sort of Shiva connect I'm definitely hearing. That's going to really help you a lot. But definitely a matured man or a woman helping you or guiding you for that matter. Lovely. Let's see your other cards. Emotional healing. So over here, I feel that it could so happen that you had some unhealed emotions towards your father, grandfather. So that's going to be healed for sure. It's going to be interestingly, you did get this spirituality card also. So definitely your a lot of healing is going to happen, especially of your emotions and your heart chakra. I also am hearing that some of you may get jewelry as a gift. That's what I'm hearing. Let's see. Oh my God. Healing, healed, healer. Wow, guys. So I feel that, interesting. So, whatever you're asking for, whether it is finances, whether it is your body, whether it is your mind, whether it is your relationships, they are going to be healed. Okay, a lot of healing coming your way. This cards couldn't be more clearer. So how interesting it is that all three groups are showing different events. Okay, daughter. All right. So I feel that some of you are worried about your daughter, or maybe you yourself are a daughter and you're worried about your parents, especially your father. So this card is telling you to stop worrying about your daughter, your daughter or children, or stop worrying about your parents. They all are going to be fine. A lot of healing happening. Okay, healing happening. Interesting. That's your next card. Family. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. This is really what I love about pick a card reading, when the cards are so in sync. So this card is telling that, what I'm seeing is, I see relationships getting healed, family relationships getting healed, a new child being born, a baby being born. I also feel that the bond between siblings becoming better. I am also seeing that there is going to be some sort of event happening, a family event happening, in which you will be invited, and this family event is going to be healing a lot of relationships. Okay, let's see your next card. Empowerment. Lovely. So I feel with this card, I feel that you are going to realize your power. Okay, you are going to realize that you know somehow you have been feeling powerless, maybe because of your emotions, maybe because of your health, however, or whatever the issue is, you are feeling like a victim. All right, but somehow there's going to be shift from a victim mentality to an empowered mentality and attitude. Lovely, group 3. Ground and center. So a lot of spiritual growth happening for group 3. Lot of spiritual growth happening. You guys are going to really grow and connect with your angels beautifully. Spiritual growth, very clearly. All right. Moderation. So again, I feel this is some, it feels like, yes, you are going to again, your cards are telling me that some of you have been struggling with your weight, either gain or loss. Okay, so somehow you are going to heal your emotions with regards to your weight, and there is going to be a shift happening. You may consult a nutritionist, a fitness expert, and you're going to work out your health in a better way. Interesting. That's so, I think for group 3, it's more spiritual growth, a birth of a child, family healing, family relationship healing. I also feel that a family member may give you that unexpected financial help. That's what I'm also getting. Okay, maybe for your daughter's education, or maybe for some sort of financial need that you have. Now let me lower the camera and let's remove your charms and your words, letters, alphabets. See what has come up. Lot of words, group 2. Keep your words over here. Alright. Let me now remove your universe messages. Oh, one more you got over here. Let's see the crystal messages. Clear pots, interesting. Let's see the angel numbers. Okay, so now let's see things. First, let's see the alphabets that you have got, the words. All right. So you got destiny. Okay. You got help. Wow. And I did tell you in your cards you did get the 6 of Pentacles. So definitely you are going to help others. Others are going to help. Wow. You got the word happy, and you also got the word friend, and you did get family. Okay, so friends and family. All right, you got out, so maybe you're going to go out with friend or family. You got the word cool, so things are going to get really happen better. And you got the word let. Out. You got the word out twice. That's interesting. Let me see the other words that you have got. Oops, sorry. You got word no truck. You got children, sweet, everywhere, delicious, aunt, loud, green, parents, again family. Wow, you got the word friends twice. So definitely relationship healing with friends and family. Grandmother, oh my goodness. Painting, in, reading, school. My God. First and foremost, guys, one thing is very clear. I see a lot of relationship healing happening. Okay, I also, as I said, you got the word children again. All right, and with the sun card, it's not surprising that some of you are going to become parents. All right, you also got the family card, so definitely your family is going to grow. There's an expansion in family, so could be a child getting born, a child getting married, but definitely some sort of expansion happening in the family. You also got aunt, parents, let me put all your relationships over here. You got the word green. Green represents healing, so a lot of healing is going to happen. All right, truck, again I would say a lot of burden getting getting offloaded. Delicious, good food. Reading, a lot of knowledge happening. Reading and school talks about a lot of knowledge exchange happening. Painting, again creativity with the sun card, that's not surprising. Loud, So this word loud and let cool is telling me that you need to calm down. Okay, you need to calm down for your relationships to heal. Wow, that's interesting. Now let's see what are the alphabets you have got. It could be a whole name in the alphabet, or could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or somebody who's of importance. Your grandmother, if not on this planet, is sending a lot of love to you. Also, a lot of worry regarding anxiety regarding parents. So, these are your alphabets. Have a look at it, guys. Okay, there you go. All right, now let's see the universe messages. You got happiness is a cup of coffee and a good book. So happiness is in the small things. I feel that you used to go out with friends and used to talk about books and have good conversation. That's something that is missing right now. You got the angel charm, which means, again, as I said, spiritual growth and spiritual connect. Explore. Wow. Interestingly, in the mature man also, you've got the globe, and again here the globe. So I feel that some of you are going to travel for sure. You're going to travel places, and your work is going to reach a lot of people. Okay, work is going to reach people. Let's see the other universe messages. You are my sunshine, and I did tell you that you're going to shine bright like the sun. Wow. So second sun element. Let me keep it over here. You got Leo and Libra. So either you are a Leo or a Libra, or you may meet a Leo or a Libra. You have Virgo as well. Okay, so Leo, Libra and Virgo. Interesting. Let's see the charms that you have got. You got the music charm. So maybe you're going to listen to really good music. My God, your charm. Oh, mistakes are proof that you are trying. So whatever past mistakes that you have done or others have done, you're going to forgive and forget. A lot of forgiveness happening. Interesting. Let's hear charms, guys. I will keep your alphabets words over here. All right, and let me shift it over here. You got the lady charm. So an unexpected makeover or a hair cut happening. You got the bunny charm, which means a lot of fertility, You got the cute little daughter, so maybe you want to dress your daughter so pretty and well. My God, you got the plane charm, and you did get the plane charm over here. There's a plane in this as well. So definitely, guys, you're going to travel places. I know the pandemic is on, but people are traveling. Okay, this charm shows that something is falling, but it has not literally fallen, it has not crashed down. So this is telling me that some you will avoid, or you'll be protected from a mishap. Okay, you got the telephone charm. So I feel that you may have a dream regarding a past loved one, or you may receive a message, a very good message from a person which will really uplift your mood. You got the dog charm. So some of you may unexpectedly get a pet or adopt someone. Again, the surprise emoji. Beautiful surprises happening. Maybe your family and friends may give you a good surprise. You got the hat, which talks about the recognition and that power. You got the love glares. Love, you'll see everybody through the eyes of love and compassion. Interesting. You got the pearl charm. So maybe your grandmother or your aunt, somebody may gift you some jewelry. You got the love, sort of love happening, a lot of love, relationship healing. Some of you may actually meet the one. You got the conch. So for me, conch talks about beaches and those amazing memories. Again, love. You got how many love you have got? One, two, three. Three loves. So, of love and healing happening, guys. You got the Paris charm. So, again, this is a tower. So, growth and travel. Interesting. So, let's see your numbers that you got. You got 19. So this means that focus on your life purpose and you're going to grow really amazingly well. Also keep your thoughts positive because the universe is capturing them. The number 55 is saying a major change is going to happen in your life, guys. So it's going to be a major positive change. So I feel relationship healing, spiritual growth, family expansion, family healing. You got the clear quartz crystal, which means be more clear, okay? Communicate clearly is what this crystal is telling me. You need to be more gentle in your communication with yourself and others. At the same time, a lot of spiritual growth happening, a lot of spirituality, healing happening. Wow, group 3, that was something, I must say. Now let me take your, I think I covered everything. Now let me take your camera up. And I think group 3, for you, healing, inner growth, spirituality is what is going to be a major thing. Plus, especially family, travel with family is also what I'm seeing. Especially, or maybe a family event in which you are going to travel to a particular place. That destination wedding could be. All right, so let's see your wheel of fortune. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. Trust. So amazing, you got the word trust again, that came with family and friends. Wow, guys, that's so interesting. And see, you got friend, like friend in your card. You got family in you got the sun card, the family. You got the friend charm, okay, word, and you got the friend word twice. Wow, so definitely relationship, a lot of positive unexpected events around family and friends, spirituality, financial help, exploring, traveling. Amazing guys. So I hope you enjoyed your pick a card reading. Do share with me in the comment section what resonated with you, what did you like most about this reading, and if you have a topic for reading which majority of the people would love to also kind of explore, then do that in the comment section. About topics which are only related to you as per se, because I normally pick up topics which are of interest for majority of the people. Alright guys, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Bye bye.